In this EXModel tutorial, we'll talk about the mesh outline function under the 2D Sketch tool. When you use the 2D Sketch tool, you may notice no matter where you place your slicing plane on the mesh, there's no way to capture the true boundaries of your mesh. It only captures the outline of the current slice. You can enable the mesh outline function by clicking the box to the left of the outline mesh. Your mesh will be projected on the slicing plane. You may adjust the height of the slicing plane by either changing the number here for the offset or hold the left mouse and drag the slicing plane. You may notice no matter how high you place your slicing plane, the projection will always be on the slicing plane. You may notice that there are several discontinuous segments on the outline. You may refine this by changing the number of small segments that's being ignored. When you decrease the number, you can hit the enter to apply. You may notice that discontinuous segments are filled, and there are several floating small segments for the outline. When you increase the number, you may notice that the small floating segments are missing, and the discontinuous segments on the outline will increase. You may refine this by adjusting to the correct number of small segments that's being ignored. You can see the entire outline is smooth here. It's smooth now. You can hit Create to get the outline of the boundaries of your mesh. From there, you may use sketch tools to draw a sketch of your mesh and get started from here. And from here, I'll use the freeform sketch tool to demonstrate. You can click OK to finish your sketch.